Are you ready to release and let go of old strings, blockages, heartaches, times where you crossed your boundaries, have been crossed your own boundaries, relationships with men, clearing your womb, clearing your heart, clearing all emotional baggage so you can attract the new that you long for in your life? Then this womb, heart, and relationship clearing meditation is for you. It is also a meditation that is supporting you to really come into this honoring sacredness of your fucking divine temple as a woman as you are, fucking honoring yourself and your energy, that amount of life force energy that you have been giving in this life, to really deeply honor that and not giving it all away, give. No, coming into honoring your deepest truth and honoring who you truly are. Enjoy, and so much the best for you. Love.